Hi, this is Paul, and in this video, we'll go over the IXG portal website, which is used to set up and manage IXG Series accounts. The IXG Series account is responsible for activating and managing mobile applications, managing payments, and checking on the status of the account. A few things must be complete before accessing the iPhone IXG portal website, such as creating admin and property manager ID in the IXG support tool, and uploading the IXG system settings to the cloud server. If you've not completed these two steps, pause the video now and refer to the IXG commercial unit programming and IXG property manager settings videos for step-by-step instructions on programming an IXG series system. Logging into the iPhone IXG portal. Open a web browser and navigate to https://portal.ixg.iphone-app.net. Enter the cloud server ID and password for the site's mobile app service plan, then click Login. If you do not know the password for the cloud server ID, the Forgot Password link will send a password recovery email to the email address linked with this site. Account information. Upon logging in for the first time, the IXG portal website will load account information. Here you can edit the IXG cloud server account information, contact information, or request a tax exemption. To change company information seen on this page, click the Edit button. Once all the desired changes have been made, click Save. Clicking on Request an Exemption will bring you to the tax exemption registration form. A valid tax exemption certificate will need to be provided in PDF form upon completion. Please allow for up to 5 business days for processing when submitting the completed form and tax exemption certificate. Selecting a site. Clicking on the Site List button will display all IXG Series sites that are registered with this IXG Cloud Server account. Selecting a site will load the site information page for that specific site, including site ID, site name, any notes that were created for the site address, building list, and a gateway adapter list, where the MAC address of the registered IXG WGW can be found. All fields within the site address section are required to complete the IXG account activation process. These fields are automatically completed if the site was configured using the IXG support tool version 3.0 or later. If an earlier version was used, then they need to be filled out manually by clicking the Edit button and then saving the new information. When logging in for the first time, use the Payment by drop-down and select either Installer or Property Manager. Building information. Clicking on the building name with the Building List section will load the building information page. Here a list of unit numbers and unit names will be displayed. Clicking on any of the unit names will open up the unit information page where registered mobile apps can be managed. Unit information. The unit information page provides a QR code for app registration as well as the ability to disconnect any mobile apps registered to the specific unit. It also lists the number of mobile apps that are available for the unit and how many of those apps are currently registered or not registered. Station information. Clicking on this station information will display the address book of the selected mobile app and show if that mobile app has door release functionality. If a station is missing from the list, needs to be removed, or door release access needs to be adjusted, those changes will need to be made using the IXG support tool. Account and payment management. Now we'll go over the steps for activating mobile account licenses and managing the payment plan for those licenses. Click on the Status of Apps menu option on the left-hand side of the page. This page will display the total number of units with registered mobile application accounts and the total number of active apps in the system. A single unit can have up to 8 mobile apps linked to it. Mobile App Summary. Each IXG Series site with registered mobile apps require a service plan for the IXG mobile apps to function. To view the current service plan and the service plan for the next billing period, select Mobile App Summary from the left-hand menu. To make changes to an existing IXG mobile account or set up a new IXG mobile account, click on the Change Service Plan button to navigate to the service plan page. The service plan page displays the current number of tenants that are linked to a mobile app service plan on the site. The two options for service plans are Advanced Payment Service or Reference Code Service. The IXG gateway model number will determine which of the two service plan options would be selected. Pause the video now and compare the model number on the IXG with the table seen on the screen. Then select one of the options and click Next to continue. The video will be covering both services. We will cover the Advanced Payment Service first, followed by the Reference Code Service. Advanced Payment Service. The Advanced Payment Service is used to set up a recurring or one-time payment plan for mobile app licenses. From this screen, add the total number of units on the site that will have mobile app licenses in the Number of Mobile App License field. If the site was configured with the IXG Support Tool 3.0 or later, both fields will be unavailable as the data was sent from the IXG Support Tool automatically. Choose either monthly, yearly, or lifetime for billing cycle, and then use the calendar to select a date for the mobile accounts to be active. Click Next to review and confirm the service summary. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, click Confirm to proceed to the PayPal login screen and follow the prompts until completed. If the service plan selected was Reference Code Service, input the code that was included with the specific IXG model and click Next to review the reference code. The number of prepaid mobile app licenses will be displayed on this page. If there are additional units that will have mobile app licenses and master stations installed, they can be added on this page using the Room with Master Station field. These additional licenses will not require any additional charges. For sites that were configured with the IXG Support Tool version 3.0 or later, this field will be unavailable as updates to the site will need to be made through the IXG Support Tool. Click the Next button to verify and activate the account. This activation process does not utilize PayPal to activate the mobile accounts. Click the I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions link to open the terms and conditions. Once they have been reviewed, scroll to the bottom of the window and click Close. Check the I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions box and click the Confirm button to complete the activation. For additional information, please visit our website at www.aphone.com. Thanks for watching.